My name is Montasil Qutb, and I'm going to be demoing to you the second assignment for the Best Server web application. I'm going to go ahead and start and compile the code and cycle the server. And now I'm going to walk you through my code real quick and then go into the SQL database in Workbench, MySQL Workbench, and then show you an actual demo of the code. So this is the class that I added, MySQL Data Store Utilities, and it has a various number of constructors to instantiate the class. And I have a handy little method here to get the SQL connection. And then there's a number of sort of create, read, update, and delete methods or get all methods. We got an add order payment here, delete order payment, and it houses the connection of the SQL server and the SQL statement, the connection, and handling all of the data there. This is to get all the order payments. Some interesting logic here. And then for our users, we got an add user, get all users. Up top, you'll see the URL to connect to the SQL server. We're on localhost on port 3306, and our database is going to be called BestDeal, and then we're setting the use SSL to false here. I'm going to jump over to SQL. This is my DDL. We're going to be creating the database and creating two tables, user table and the order payments table, and then we'll be adding some introductory users for our demo. We got 3 here, 1 customer, 1 retailer, and 1 manager. I'm going to go ahead and run this. All right. So we'll jump over to this other tab, and we have 2 select statements for both of our tables. You see the first one is the user table, and it's populated, and it has 3 users in there, and this is the order payment table, and that is empty. I'm going to jump over to Chrome now, log into the BestDeal server, and I'm going to show you that I can log in with the users that we created. We got Bob Pass. It's a customer login. Oh, wait, actually, let's check what we set that password to. The username is mbob, and then Bob Pass. All right, and we're in. So hello, I'm Bob, and we can go ahead and start purchasing our applications and our utilities here. I'm going to buy these 3 items, checkout, set my credit card number here, my address, 231 South LaSalle, Chicago, Illinois, and I'm going to click submit, and my order is complete, and my delivery date is mentioned to me, and my order number as well. So I can go back and view the order just as before, and I can cancel orders and all that. So just by doing this, I actually placed the order, so I should be able to see these 3 items in the database. Let's go take a look at the order payments table in the BestDeal database. So if I do a select star on this, I should see 3 rows, and I do have 3 rows here for mbob, and there are 3 users with all of the information stored here. I'm going to go ahead and delete an item from the order, Samsung tab 2, and it tells me the item selected has been removed. So I should be able to go back to the database actually and see that update in real time. So I'll do a select again on the select star on the table, and I should come back with just 2 rows, and it does. So you'll see the Samsung tab is now gone. Another thing that I want to demo to you is the salesman being able to view the orders. Actually, before that, I'm going to create a user and show you the adding working. So qtub is the username. I'm gonna make qtub is the password as well, and we'll just make it a customer. Let's create it. We can go to the user table, and we should see a 4th row for qtub, and the password is qtub, and it's a customer type. All right, I'm gonna log in as qtub, purchase a bunch of items, okay, and then I'm going to go to my cart, I'm going to check out, I'm going to pay for it, and 31, same address, and my order number is 2. Awesome. Now I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log in as the manager, Frank. Frank and Frank Pass. So we're going to log in as Frank Pass. So I should be able to go into and view the orders for everybody, and I can view the order number 2 for QTub that was just placed before this. And the store manager can actually handle and manage the order for this person. So if the person calls and says, I want to cancel the order on the Apple iPhone 6 64GB, I can cancel that, and I can see it's been canceled, and I can go back and view that it's been canceled and removed from the order, and that is also updated in real time on the database side. We can see that here. QTub, there's only 3 items. So that does it for the demo for today, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.